let me show you how we can change the home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, we need to go to settings. In settings, go to wallpaper and style, and then for example, you can tap on the home screen on the right side, and then tap wallpapers in the top left corner. Now we can choose a wallpaper that we wish to set. In some cases, we also have some customization options. And then we can press done in the top right corner when we are ready. However, we can also go to change wallpapers instead, choose a wallpaper that we wish to set, and in case you are seeing the lock screen, well, let's actually choose this one because this is what I wanted to show you. In this case, we can choose where we want to apply the wallpaper. So if you want to apply it only for the home screen, you want to uncheck lock screen and then proceed by pressing next. And like I said, in some cases we have some customization options as well. Once you are done, press done in the top right corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!